Good evening and welcome to the news. First, the headlines. Joint Regional Committee meeting to examine areas of differences in Block 1 held at the State Convention Centre. Khasi Jaintia Fish Wholesalers and Retailers Association questioned the government for conducting the formalin test once a year. Lumpy skin disease causes the death of 45 cattle across the state till June 12th. And present water level not sufficient to do away with load shedding, says Chairman cum Managing Director of MEECL, Sanjay Goyal. The news in detail. A joint regional committee meeting to examine areas of differences in Block 1, Psiar Khanduli in West Jaintia Hills District with West Karbi Anglong District, Hemren, Assam, was held today at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. Deputy Chief Minister and Chairman of the West Jaintia Hills District Regional Committee, Snyabhalang Dhar, chaired the meeting in the presence of Assam Minister Piyush Hazarika. The meeting was attended by Deputy Commissioners of West Jaintia Hills District and West Karbi Anglong District, members of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council and Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council, and also village headmen from both districts of Meghalaya and Assam.
Everything will be served amicably from both states. The only visit actually both the Chief Minister is desire to visit, so we will wait the time from them.
What about at the level of the regional committees?
The regional committee will, because our target is to submit the report to the state government by August, so maybe in last week of this month or July, we have to visit.
Some people have love to the people of Meghalaya, and I believe Meghalaya people also have love to the people of Assam.
The Khasi Jaintia Fish Wholesalers and Retailers Association on Wednesday questioned the state government and East Khasi Hills District Administration for conducting the formalin test on the fishes imported from outside the state once a year. At the same time, the association also questioned why the details of the fish tested positive for formalin were not revealed, adding that they want to know where these fishes originate from and from which state. While speaking to reporters, Association President Michel Wankar said that the order to ban the import of fishes from outside the state has affected the livelihood of the fish sellers of the state. He also said that they would like to know the origin of the fish which found the presence of formalin.
Kidokha ki bon Andhra Pradesh, kidokha ki bala test, but ngidon ka kopi hangi, nimju aksel ya kano kani ka kopi mo. Haman lagi trok ki bon Andhra Pradesh, kidon gini kelalong kidokha kelalong tested, terrengi ngilongo namar hakajik sample ke jonki 40 sample kishen, ten rei ki klam batai ini ba namar habagi penpoi dokha kisem sampel tangga ka dokha ka bon Andhra Pradesh lani ki bon ki we state lu komansu ongi ki bon ki dokha ki bon ki we state lu te kajing kwa kajungi yang ni ka longba ni sha ni kwa na kaliang ka government namar na kaliang ka Andhra Pradesh ka penbiang lu korokhan.
Lumpy skin disease, LSD, has caused the death of 45 cattle across the state till June 12th, according to official figures. Speaking to reporters on Tuesday, Assistant Director, Disease Investigation, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Dr. P. Blawar, said that the number of new cases of cattle affected by LSD has come down drastically in the past 3 days. Dr. Blawar, however, maintained that there still remains the need to unearth why there are a large number of cattle deaths related to LSD reported from West Jaintia Hills. When asked about the African swine fever, he said that the AH and Veterinary Department has not received any report of deaths of pigs from any parts of the state since June 2nd. Dr. Blawar urged the general public not to panic since LSD and ASF diseases are not zoonotic diseases and cannot be transmitted from animals to humans.
10% hijau. Dengan terkenal nanti berkenyapanik, larang tweet ia kapor bobyang, kini masih kilapan jam. But kini masih kibayap ru, kini mga ongai fi kibayap kumba sok santli enai, bonaki kidei kini masih loan. Bapo ka saubnai karta.
Chairman cum Managing Director of MEECL, Sanjay Goyal, on Tuesday informed that though the water level at Umiam has risen by almost 6 to 7 feet, however, the present level is not sufficient to completely do away with load shedding. Briefing media persons on the possibility of some respite on load shedding given the increasing water level at Umiam, he said that the power department has not gone ahead with load shedding during the daytime in the past few days, given that there was enough rainfall. Goyal further said that if rainfall is sufficient in the days to come and the department is comfortable in terms of water level, the government will definitely reduce the load shedding hours.
So in nutshell, what I can say that if the rains situation improve in the days to come and we are comfortable in terms of water level, definitely we'll go for and we'll try to reduce the number of hours of the load shedding.
The World Blood Donors Day was observed in Shillong today. This year, the day is being celebrated with the theme Give Blood, Give Plasma, Share Life, Share Often. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of the Health Department Ram Kumar S. stressed on the need for people to come forward and voluntarily donate blood, as it would help in saving the lives of many people. All participants also took a pledge on the occasion, and individual blood donors were also felicitated on the occasion. Later, a voluntary blood donation camp was also organized in Jowai on the occasion of the Blood Donors Day, and the Jowai Blood Bank Center felicitated the organization and individual blood donors in the Coherence conference room of the Blood Bank Center.
When the world tries to find more and more reasons to be separate oneself from another, saying that, you know, you are from here, I am from there, I like this food, you like that food, I dress like this, you dress like this, I am from a different caste, your race, religion, and etc. But there is a very, very important thing when a donor from anywhere in Africa, South America, or, you know, in the remotest Fiji Islands can donate blood and it can come to us.
District School Education Officer, West Khasi Hills District, in collaboration with the Office of the District Mission Coordinator SSA, on Tuesday organized Jan Bhagidari events and activities program on the theme Ensuring Foundational Literacy and Numeracy, especially in Blended Learning, at a program held at Vani Hall, St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, Pindiangre, Nongstoin. The program was attended by Additional Deputy Commissioner D. Blah as the chief guest. Speaking at the program, ADC stated that the program provides an opportunity for mutual interaction and engagement for students and teachers, even as she emphasized that education should be enjoyable for the students and it should not create or incite a sense of fear among them.
Menta hakane kajong ni menta ki bun ki lukon ki lat ki linti ki bangin yo ya ki jinglang jing start ndai atang hapo classroom. Ndai the basic foundation is very, very important. So this ngakantuyo baro hini ginohikai bakin kin snoto how important.
National Highway 6 in East Jayanta Hills District was totally inaccessible for hours because of a massive mudslide at Sonapur Tunnel caused by heavy rain today. There were tens of vehicles stranded on the road and people were stuck there for hours. Authorities were on the job to clean the debris so that traffic could get back on the move again. The heavy rain has been coming down non-stop and it's been causing quite a traffic jam. This particular road that connects Barak Valley, Mizoram and Tripura with Meghalaya and Assam is incredibly crucial. And a quick look at the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 20.8 degrees Celsius, the minimum 16 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 95%, while that in the evening fell to 88%. 18.5 millimeters of rainfall was recorded. The forecast: light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. And another look at the headlines before we wind up. Joint Regional Committee meeting to examine areas of differences in Block 1 held at the State Convention Centre. Khasi Jaintia Fish Wholesalers and Retailers Association questioned the government for conducting the formalin test once a year. Lumpy skin disease causes the death of 45 cattle across the state till June 12th. and present water level not sufficient to do away with load shedding, says Chairman cum Managing Director of MEECL, Sajay Goel. Well, viewers, that's all we have in this edition of the Bulletin. Join us again tomorrow evening for more news and updates.